How to add friends and share routes in Waze. Open the Waze app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the main screen, tap three line at top left corner, tap settings, scroll down and you will see options called invite a friend. Tap on it. You will see again invite a friend, tap on it. To add someone, you will see different options like you can directly send link to Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Viber. If your friend already use Waze, just tap sync and Waze will show who is available to add. Once your friends are added, you can share your trip easily. To share the route, go back to the main screen and search for destination. Tap go to start navigation. Now swipe up on the ETA bar and tap your drive. You will see options like WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail. Just select the one you want to share. Tap the contact you want to send. Once shared, your friend will see live location, your estimated arrival time, and any route change in real time. You can stop sharing at any time by tapping stop sharing from your active route screen. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.